Hey there, today I show my secret, and I'm excited to dive into the world of Pinterest affiliate marketing with you today. As a full-time blogger and YouTuber, I've found a strategy that consistently brings in a substantial income, and I'm eager to share the details. Before we dive into today's topic, consider subscribing and pressing the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Your support is greatly appreciated. Step 1. Choose a product you love. The foundation of my strategy is selecting a product in my niche that I genuinely love and use. It's not about just joining any affiliate network, it's about aligning with products that resonate with you. This authenticity shines through in your promotions. Step 2. Assess traffic and commission. Not all products are created equal. It's crucial to choose ones with not only relevance but also a good amount of traffic. Additionally, consider the commission structure. Higher commissions make a significant difference in your overall earnings. Step 3. Create compelling content. Now, let's talk about the content strategy. I've found success with two types of blog posts: in-depth reviews and step-by-step guides. In the reviews, I share my genuine experiences, highlighting both the positive and not-so-great aspects. For guides, I break down how to use the product in various scenarios, catering to different audience segments. Step 4. Strategic placement of affiliate links. When it comes to adding affiliate links, it's not about bombarding your audience. Instead, strategically place links within your blog post. Whether it's in the text, images, or call-to-action buttons, make it seamless and valuable. I also incorporate offers, discounts, and coupons to sweeten the deal. Step 5. Pinterest Pin Strategy. Pinterest is a powerhouse for driving traffic. I create 1 to 5 pins per blog post, testing various designs and titles to see what resonates with my audience. Crucially, the pins include links to the blog post, not direct affiliate links. It's about leading users to valuable content first. Step 6. Track, improve, update, optimize. Success isn't static. Regularly review the performance of your blog posts and pins. Track clicks, analyze which links are working, and optimize based on this data. Consistent updates keep your content relevant and engaging. Step 7. Bonus Pinterest ads. For an extra boost, I've experimented with Pinterest ads. After identifying my most successful pins, I turned them into ads, driving additional traffic to my blog posts. This step isn't essential initially, but can be a powerful tool once you've established a solid foundation. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a methodical approach that takes time and effort. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates.